What a weekend this has been for Wayne+Gardner, and he takes his 18th Grand Prix victory. Kevin+schwantz is cheering. But Doohan's going to be strong enough, it looks like, and the Australian will take victory in the Dutch TT. Great stuff by Criville, but he wasn't able to match the pace of either Checker or Doohan. Arbe is the winner in the Brazilian Grand Prix in Rio de Janeiro.
As they stream down, Valentino+rossi is going to win this race in the Japanese Grand Prix, but who will be second?
Big look behind for Valentino+rossi. He comes into the final corner on the...
Valentino+rossi is going to win the race. Sete Gimeno's alongside. Who's winning? Sete Gimeno has
Rossi
done
on the
it!
Yamaha. He is the world champion. He is the winner of the Australian Grand Prix. Valentino+rossi takes the applause. Valentino+rossi takes victory.
Casey+stoner wins the Grand Prix of Catalonia. What a race!